pouring. Ensure tight joints and no leakage. Check for proper alignment and dimensions. Make sure there are adequate supports and bracing. Weak formwork can lead to honeycombing and structural failure. Inspect reinforcement properly. Check for correct spacing and proper cover blocks. Ensure lapping length is as per the drawing. The reinforcement must be clean, with no rust or mud. Steel mistakes lead to structural issues. Confirm concrete grade and mix. Check the mix design, for example, M25 or M30. Verify the delivery ticket and ensure correct batching. The wrong mix results in weak concrete. Check slump before pouring. Perform the slump test on site to ensure a workable consistency. If the concrete is too dry, it will lead to poor compaction. If it's too wet, it results in low strength. Do not add extra water. Never add water at the site, as it reduces the concrete's strength and durability.